Have you ever watched an RC car launch off a dirt jump, stick the landing, and music thought, there's no way that's just a toy? That's exactly what makes today's hobby-grade RC music cars so incredible. In 2026, they're faster, tougher, and more realistic than ever. Packing brushless motors, advanced music suspension, waterproof electronics, and all-terrain capability that make them feel like miniature race machines. The hobby has exploded in popularity with manufacturers pushing performance to new heights across every category. So, I spent hours researching the latest models to bring you 10 incredible RC cars that are truly worth every dollar. Whether you're chasing insane speed, unstoppable off-road performance, or realistic rock crawling, this countdown has something for every RC fan. Stick around until the end because my number 1 pick completely blew me away. Number 10, the Traxxas Slash 2WD Brushless is one of the most popular remote-controlled short course trucks ever produced, offering an outstanding combination of speed, durability, and race-inspired performance. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor system, it delivers rapid acceleration and impressive top speeds while maintaining excellent efficiency and reliability. Its lightweight 2WD chassis provides responsive handling that rewards skilled driving on dirt tracks, pavement, and off-road terrain. Long travel suspension, oil-filled shocks, waterproof electronics, and Traxxas' rugged construction allow the truck to handle jumps, rough landings, and demanding driving conditions with confidence. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to its modular design, and a huge aftermarket of upgrade parts allows owners to customize nearly every aspect of the vehicle. Whether you're new to RC or an experienced enthusiast, the Slash 2WD Brushless remains one of the best all-around performance trucks available. Number 9, the ARRMA Mini Kraton 3S BLX packs impressive power into a compact monster truck platform, delivering thrilling performance that exceeds expectations for its size. Powered by ARRMA's high-performance brushless system, it offers explosive acceleration, responsive throttle control, and remarkable top-end speed while remaining durable enough for aggressive bashing sessions. The 4WD drivetrain provides exceptional grip across dirt, gravel, grass, and pavement, allowing the truck to maintain stability even under heavy acceleration. Independent suspension, oil-filled shocks, and reinforced chassis components help absorb impacts from jumps and rough terrain with ease. Waterproof electronics extend the fun into wet conditions, while ARRMA's reputation for robust engineering ensures long-term reliability. Combining compact dimensions with serious performance, the Mini Kraton 3S BLX is an exciting option for hobbyists seeking maximum fun in a smaller package. Number 8, the Losi 5 IVE TE 3.01 fifth-scale electric 4WD is a premium large-scale RC truck engineered for enthusiasts who demand professional-level performance and exceptional durability. Built on a race-proven platform, it features a robust aluminum chassis, heavy-duty drivetrain components, and a powerful brushless motor capable of delivering breathtaking acceleration and impressive top speeds. Its sophisticated 4WD system, adjustable suspension geometry, and oil-filled shocks provide outstanding control across rough off-road terrain while maintaining excellent stability during high-speed runs. Premium electronics, precision steering, and high-quality construction make the truck equally suitable for competitive racing and recreational bashing. With its massive size, realistic appearance, and outstanding engineering, the 5IVE TE 3.0 delivers an authentic large-scale RC driving experience that few competitors can match. Number 7, the Kyosho Fazer D2 Series is designed specifically for RC drifting enthusiasts, combining precise handling with realistic styling and premium engineering. Built on a purpose-designed rear-wheel drive drift chassis, it offers excellent steering angle, balanced weight distribution, and predictable control that allows drivers to execute smooth, controlled drifts with confidence. Adjustable suspension components enable owners to fine-tune handling characteristics, while high-quality electronics ensure responsive throttle and steering inputs. The FAZER D2 is compatible with a wide range of officially licensed body shells, giving enthusiasts the opportunity to recreate iconic street cars with impressive realism. Number 6, the Axial SCX24 RC Chevy C10 brings impressive scale realism and exceptional crawling capability to a compact 1/24th scale platform. Featuring an officially licensed Chevrolet C10 body, the truck captures the classic styling of the legendary pickup while delivering serious off-road performance. Its permanent four-wheel drive system, high-articulation suspension, worm gear axles, and soft off-road tires provide remarkable traction over rocks, logs, and challenging obstacles. Waterproof electronics allow adventures in various environments, while the compact size makes it perfect for indoor crawler courses and backyard trails alike. Despite its small dimensions, the SCX24 offers extensive upgrade potential with countless aftermarket accessories available for customization. Combining realistic detail, dependable engineering, and excellent crawling performance, it remains one of the most popular mini RC crawlers on the market. Number 5. The Traxxas Rustler 2WD Brushless is a high-speed stadium truck built for drivers who enjoy fast acceleration, impressive wheelies, and exciting off-road performance. Its powerful brushless motor delivers rapid throttle response and remarkable speed, while the lightweight 2WD chassis provides agile handling and plenty of opportunities for skillful driving. Long travel suspension, oil-filled shocks, and durable construction help the Rustler absorb jumps and rough terrain without sacrificing stability. Waterproof electronics expand driving possibilities in wet conditions, while Traxxas' modular chassis design makes maintenance and upgrade straightforward. With outstanding parts availability and extensive customization options, the Rustler continues to be one of the most recommended performance RC trucks for hobbyists of all experience levels. Number 4. The ARRMA Talion 6S EXB is a competition-inspired high-performance truggy designed for extreme speed, durability, and aggressive off-road driving. Built on ARRMA's Extreme Bash platform, it features heavy-duty aluminum chassis components, reinforced drivetrain parts, and premium suspension designed to withstand demanding driving conditions. The powerful 6S brushless system delivers explosive acceleration and exceptional top speeds, while the 4WD drivetrain ensures outstanding grip across a wide variety of terrain. Large oil-filled shocks, durable suspension arms, and aggressive tires allow the Talion to tackle jumps, rough trails, and high-speed cornering with confidence. Combining race-inspired engineering with exceptional toughness, the Talion 6S EXB is built for enthusiasts who demand uncompromising performance. Number 3. The Axial SCX30 Chevy K10 combines realistic scale appearance with impressive crawling capability, making it an excellent choice for off-road RC enthusiasts. Featuring a detailed Chevrolet K10 body, the truck delivers authentic styling while incorporating Axial's proven crawling technology. Its four-wheel drive system, highly articulated suspension, portal axles, and specialized crawler tires provide excellent traction across rocks, steep inclines, and technical trails. Durable construction and thoughtfully engineered chassis components ensure dependable performance during demanding outdoor adventures. The platform also supports extensive aftermarket customization, allowing owners to enhance both appearance and capability over time. Blending realism, durability, and exceptional trail performance, the SCX30 Chevy K10 continues Axial's reputation for producing outstanding scale crawlers. Number 2. The Redcat Vertex-10 wide 1/10 RTR crawler is engineered to conquer technical trails and challenging rock courses with confidence. Ready to run straight out of the box, it features a robust 4WD drivetrain, high-clearance suspension, durable portal axles, and aggressive off-road tires that provide exceptional grip on uneven terrain. The widened chassis improves overall stability, allowing the crawler to tackle steep side slopes and difficult obstacles with greater control. Waterproof electronics, adjustable suspension components, and a strong chassis ensure reliable performance in a variety of outdoor conditions. Whether exploring forest trails or navigating purpose-built crawler courses, the Vertex-10 delivers excellent capability while providing plenty of opportunities for future upgrades and customization. Number 1. The Traxxas Nissan 240SX brings one of the most iconic drift cars into the world of radio-controlled performance with a detailed body and exciting on-road handling. Designed to capture the appearance of the legendary sports coupe, it features realistic styling, high-quality paint, and authentic proportions that appeal to both RC enthusiasts and automotive fans. Built on a durable Traxxas platform, the car delivers responsive steering, smooth throttle control, and dependable performance for drifting, parking lot driving, and high-speed pavement runs. Waterproof electronics increase versatility, while the rugged chassis is designed to withstand regular use and minor impacts. With excellent upgrade support and Traxxas' proven reliability, the Nissan 240SX offers an enjoyable blend of scale realism, performance, and customization potential.